Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Terry the turkey Pilgrim Squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the hat. Draw a curved line across near the top of the page. Then lines up on both sides, curving it in at the top. Now connect them at the top with the line across. Let's add the buckle on the hat now. Draw a rounded square shape at the bottom. Now inside, draw a curve on the right here. And now add a border around the square like this. Next, add a curve on either side of the buckle. Let's draw the brim of the hat now with an oval-shaped curve at the bottom. Now let's draw the shape of the body. From the left side of the hat brim, step in and draw a curve down and then back in at the bottom. Do the same thing on the right side. Now connect them across at the bottom. Let's draw the eyes now. Draw a circle on the left here. And now color it in black. Now do the same thing for the right eye. Next, in between the eyes, draw a rounded sideways diamond shape for the beak. Now under, draw a long U shape on the left, and then another smaller curve on the right. Let's draw the pattern on the belly now. Draw a large curve at the bottom here. Now draw 3 shallow U curves across the top. And 4 more underneath. And lastly, 2 more at the bottom. Let's draw the tail feathers now. From the top left of the hat, draw an angled line up. And then a curve over to the hat. Now move down to the left and draw another angled line. And a curve at the top now. Next, draw 2 more sections like this going down on the left. Next, inside each section, draw a curve near the top here. And then 1 more curve under it. Now do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw the wings now. On the left side of the body, draw a bent curve outwards. Then another bent curve at the bottom back into the body like this. Now do the same thing for the right wing on the other side. And that's it for this cute turkey squishmallow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.